Hi, my name is Anya and I have a sponsor for today's video. The sponsor is Hermes. They've sent me a chocolate and caramel ice cream dip. So for today's video, I'll show you how they are normally used, but I'll also give you alternative recipes that you can make. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and leave in the comment section what recipes you would make with these ice cream dips. These ice cream dips are so easy to use. All you have to do is place the container with the lid inside the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Give it a stir and you'll have lusciously smooth caramel and chocolate ice cream dips. Hermes also sent me these t-shirts. I even wore it in my intro. I made some Hermes vanilla ice cream. I'll link that video, and I let it defrost a little. Then I piped the semi-frozen ice cream onto some ice cream cones. I dipped the first cone into caramel and just look how good that looks. The caramel hardens instantly onto the ice cream, creating a crispy shell that encases the ice cream. Next I did the chocolate, and wow, it is quite mesmerizing. Again, the chocolate hardens when it has direct contact with ice cream. Next, I'll show you alternative recipes you can make with these ice cream dips. The first one is the chocolate. I made some Hermes strawberry ice cream, and while I was still in the mousse phase, I piped the mixture into an ice tray. I froze it until it was solid. Pop it out of the ice tray. And dip it into the chocolate. The shell will harden and create these tiny ice cream bombs. I added a mint leaf on top. Crispy chocolate shell covering smooth ice cream. They are so fun to eat. Next is the caramel. For the caramel, I made some funnel cakes. These funnel cakes are so easy to whip up. Just add in 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon water, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until smooth. Then add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/2 cup of flour. Mix until smooth. Heat up some oil. Once the oil is hot, pour half of the batter into a spiral shape. Allow it to cook for about a minute or 2 on each side or until golden brown. Place onto a paper towel to remove excess oil. Dust with icing sugar. Add a scoop of Hermes ice cream on top. And drizzle some caramel on top. This literally tasted so good and it's so easy to make. I hope you try to make these at home, and you can get this product by ordering it on the website.